Okay, well here's a fish recipe for you. Now, I call this a salmon jerky, but really you can use any kind of white fish that's a real hearty meat. Shark, doesn't matter. Something that just will stay together. But you want to use about 1.5 pounds of a fresh salmon and shark meat, tuna, whatever. And you want it skinned. You want the skin removed, and you want to cut it in about 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch long slices. And for the marinade, you want to use 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup teriyaki sauce. And again, if you like that teriyaki flavor, you can go ahead and put another 1/2 cup in there, and it won't hurt anything. 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of curing salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Now that's optional, because really this is really good if you smoke it with mesquite chips.